The teaching style of this course is a bit different than others, so worth highlighting some notes about it. There are definitely a lot of complaints in other courses. In this course, my style is typically 3 steps. A simple video to explain a concept in a very short time with enough details. After that, there is a video typically covering easy to medium practice to help you master the concepts that you learned. And finally, there are easy to medium to hard sets of homework questions to challenge you. There is a separate video for you how to handle properly such challenges. The major fundamental difference here is how do you present the code. There are 2 styles, mine, which is ready code snippets, and the live coding style. In a live coding style, we started to write code line by line during the video session, and this typically is slow and typically would involve some bugs, and students might complain that they don't find the source code, or you have to make some edits in the video to make some improvements, and the video is typically like 3 or 4 times what I am doing. On the other style, I am doing the ready code snippets. In this style, when you open the slide, you will notice that the whole code of this section is ready for you. Then we trace together the code and master the concepts in it. With that, the slides are ready for you to make use of them in an easy and simple way. You don't get lost after the session, like where is the code of what, where to find what, and so on. The video would be typically like third the time of the other videos, which would make the course overall looks like a few number of hours. However, a good investigation, you will realize it as big as the other courses. It is just much more compressed and still delivering the concepts in a very good way. So this is my style. Check out the free preview and decide if this fits with you or not. That's all.